Tiles Porcelain. Just going to show you one of our tiles which we've got in our porcelain outdoor range for our porcelain week that we're doing. As you can see, we've got the TCR6, the fire Maroon wood. So with that tile, you can reinvigorate your garden with a natural look by introducing the low maintenance wood effect porcelain paving tiles, featuring like a lifelike appearance. It's very heavy duty paving, so it'll transform any space, creating a stylish environment to relax within. The porcelain paving also offers hassle-free compared to your standard wood decking. The pavings are 20mm thick, which ensures required strength to withstand high levels of foot traffic for patios, barbecue areas, and whatever the weather throws at it, no element will cause any damage to it. The matte finish is in keeping with the naturalistic appearance, which further enhances the character of this tile. And the wood style blend is very similar to natural features and can go with any sort of colouring ratio. So this tile at the moment is currently reduced down to $29.96. So get in there fast. You can contact myself or Denise on 0191 429 0279, or our website is www.tilesporcelain.co.uk. And if you put an order in before the end of the week, there's a further 5% off. So get in quick, limited time. Cheers, guys.